Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. Let me back up a little bit, all up in your face. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. But before we get any further, you already know what it is. Hit that subscribe button and then of course hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video, and of course be a part of the hashtag notification squad, if you know it's good for you, okay? All right, you guys, we're gonna get into this. I feel like I'm off-centered or something. I'm like, Okay, we're gonna get into this Allure beauty box unboxing, okay? All right, so this is for January, you guys. I'm excited to see what's in. Of course, it comes with your little, what is it called? Oh no, is this for January? Did I just not open one? Just kidding. I'm just kidding, you guys. That was a total mistake. All right, that's okay. Let's do December versus January. All right, so we're gonna do December versus January. So this is January, you guys, but I totally forgot to unbox December with you. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of that. All right, so it came with the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer. I've used this before. Me and my husband love it. It's bomb. The price of this, I'm gonna do this one really quick. The price of this is $28. I believe this is full size, you guys. I believe this is a full size one. The next thing is the Away Texturizing Hairspray. Tried this, bomb. This is $26. Of course, this is not full size at all, not full size. And then we got an Anastasia liquid lipstick in the house. This goes for $20. Of course, this is full size. This is a darker lip color. Let's put it on and see what it looks like. Where's my white so you guys could see? If I could find it. Like, if I could find the white, we could totally do it. All right, we're gonna put this on so you guys can see what it looks like since we're here. And then now we need a mirror. Oh well, I'm just gonna put it on. Oh, this is a darker one, you guys. I don't usually do, sorry guys, it's not gonna look perfect. I don't usually do darker lips all the time, but it's still winter. This is pretty. I've tried their her nude one before and I don't know how I felt about it, so I'm gonna try this one out and see. Again, $20. Then we got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is $22. Love me a good brow gel, you guys. Like, I feel like you just can't go wrong with it. It's the brow gel, so it's just your clear brow gel. But I love it. But I'm excited to try this one. The Kylie one's really, really good. I love that one. And then last but not least, which is probably my favorite, dude, came through with the Anastasia, and this one though came through. So we got the $40 Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. You guys, if you don't sign up for Allure Beauty like right now, you're crazy. It's $16 and look at all that you get. Like, that's insane, you guys. This is what it looks like, and then boom, it's just so pretty. I wish I would have had a little mirror here. Huge on mirrors. These aren't colors that obviously I would use all the time, but I'm gonna try it out because it's pretty and it's Anastasia, so I'm gonna try it. See how sticky it is, and see how it's just not, like, it's coming off now. So I think that was the problem I had with it before. It was kind of just like so I don't think I would buy these. I don't think so. All right, next we are going into January 2020 vision. What is your 2020 vision, you guys? What is your 2020 vision? So this one's nice and just clean. Got your nice little paper. How pretty. And then I have all your little stuff inside. All right, so the first thing we got was Tarte Light. Oh no, this is the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. This price is $23. The other one was the Tarte Lights Camera in Action, so I guess you could get one or the other. Of course, it is in black. Like, my lips just feel all crusty and dry. I think that's why. Oh, look at how pretty. The packaging is nice. I hope it's not a big wand. I mean, it's bigger than what I usually use, but it's not that bad. I definitely will use this. Ooh, this looks good. I'm excited to try this. I am excited. All right, so the next thing is the Kate Somerville. Oh my gosh, and it's called Exfoliate. That is so cute. This 1.2 ounces or 1.7 ounces is $75. you guys. $75. That's a pretty penny. Look at how tiny this is. Oh, well, obviously this is, it says use AM and PM, use 1 to 2 times a week. This one is obviously smaller than the 1.725. It's not the full size, but dang, my goodness. That's the big size. 75, I feel like I could just find another something else to use to exfoliate this face, okay? All right, so we have the Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. $39. $39. This is obviously, again, not full size. You see the full size jar. So that is not full size. This is a little tiny one. I'm excited to try this, though. I really have been liking water creams lately. Next, we have this Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. This goes for $62, okay? $62. This obviously, again, is not the full size. Full size looks more something like this here. And then the next thing we got, this again is not full size. This is retails for $16 for the big one. Perfect Shine Oil Mist. And this is for your hair. It's by Nature Lab Tokyo. And the last thing, you guys, I gotta let you guys know, I already tried this and I freaking love it. It's amazing. This might be my favorite in here. And then the mascara, because I feel like these are the two things that kind of stood out to me in the box. Freaking December's was bomb, okay? Bomb. You guys tell me, what do you think beats December? Does December beat January, or does January beat December? What do you guys think? So this is the Acre. I think it's called Acre. Acre. I don't know. I'm going to call it Acre Skin Pure Lip Restoration. I love anything that restores the lips. And my lips are feeling dry now, so I'm putting it on top of this. Look at it. It just takes that right off. Like, it is just all coming off, you guys. Look at that. This is such a pretty color, though. I love this color on me, but I'm just like, I hate the way it feels. Like, oh, I can't do the way it feels on my lips, you guys. I can't do it. I'm like, take it off. Take it off now, even before the video is over. Looking a little crazy, but that's okay, because, like I'm telling you guys, if you guys have tried the Anastasia Beverly Hills, what do you guys think? Did you like it? If you tried their lippies, because I'm not feeling it at all. I'm just not. But this is bomb. A+. This goes for $30. I don't know if I'll buy it for $30. You know what? I probably would, because the Kylie one is $20 and I love that one. This is bomb, you guys. Bomb, bomb, bomb. I wonder if it's like the original or the other one is bigger than this one is. Let's see. Let's see. Let me see if this one is bigger. You know what it doesn't say, so this must be the full size. That must be the full size. But that is it for this video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think December beat out January or January beat out December, you guys give me a big thumbs up. Of course, share the video, you guys, because why? Sharing is freaking caring. So spread the love, and sharing is free 99. So you might as well just go on and share with all your friends, all your family, because it's free, you guys. And of course, all the gorgeous bling I am wearing, you could shop 24/7 at www.gorgeousbling.shop. Everything is $5 lead and nickel free, you guys. And that is it. If you guys want to see this makeup look, I actually just did this makeup look live on my Facebook, my Kia Burger. You guys can add me. If you don't have a picture, I won't accept you. That sounds so mean, but I'm sorry. I gotta know who I'm adding, guys. Okay, people crazy out there. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time.